10 Secrets to Excel in the First Year of a Master's. 1. Always attend all lectures. 2. Pay attention to the professors, interact with them, and ask them during the lectures. 3. Study your lessons every day, on the same day. 4. Prepare projects and seminars required by professors. 5. Stay away from negative and frustrating people. 6. Don't waste too much time on social media. 7. Avoid any disagreements or disputes with your professors. 8. Reward yourself every weekend and entertain yourself every day with the simplest things. 9. 1 month before the exam, you should devote yourself completely to studying. 10. During the exam, write carefully and do not rush your answers. Dear student, to receive our upcoming videos about everything you need as a master's or doctoral student, don't forget to subscribe to Research Academy channel. Good luck.